To sync your Shopify catalog to Facebook, you need to first add Facebook as a sales channel in your Shopify admin so that the products sync to Facebook. You can also sync Shopify products to Facebook via third-party apps which are available on the Shopify App Store. In case you have already done that, you can move on to the next step, which is to add data feed rules to the Facebook catalog. Note that the second step is only required for businesses using a +91 number as their WhatsApp API number. Simply go to your Shopify admin panel and add a sales channel from here. Select Facebook as the sales channel you want to add. Click here to give the required permissions to Facebook. After that, scroll down to create free and paid ads on Facebook and click on Start Setup. As the first step, you need to connect your personal Facebook account to Shopify. In the second step, you need to connect the Business Manager account to Shopify. Please make sure that the personal FB account which you added in the first step is an admin in the Business Manager that you added in the second step. Next, you need to connect an ad account to Shopify. Make sure that the personal Facebook account you added in the first step is an admin in this ad account as well. Also ensure that this ad account is part of the Business Manager you connected in the second step. Next, connect your business's Facebook page. Make sure that the personal Facebook account you added in the first step is an admin in this page as well. Also ensure that this Facebook page is part of the Business Manager you connected in the second step. You can then set your data preferences and add a target country. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Finish Setup. Obviously, doing this sets you up to run Facebook ads for your Shopify products. But what it also does is, it automatically creates a Shopify synced catalog in your Facebook catalogs in your Facebook Commerce Manager. Here you can view the approval status of the products. All your Shopify store products are first approved by Facebook before they can get added in your Facebook catalog. You need to make sure that the available to Facebook option is ticked for the products you want to show in your Facebook catalog and henceforth in your catalog messages on WhatsApp. Next, go to the Commerce Manager on Facebook. You will see a catalog named Shopify Product Catalog appear there. In order to send out catalog messages from Interact, you need to make sure that you have added the country of origin field to all your products in your Facebook catalog. Now, in order to do that, go to Data Sources. Then go to the Shopify Dynamic Facebook Ads product feed that you would see here. After that, click on Settings, then click on Add Rule, then click on Set Default Values. Here, select origin_country, default value, write IN, click on Create, and then click on Apply Rules. Then click on Apply Now. What this will ensure is that all products in your catalog will have the country of origin as IN. Now obviously this would be applicable only if all products in your catalog are from India. However, if suppose all your products are imported from another country, you need to add the following 4 fields. Origin_country is equal to US or the country code for the country from which the products have been imported. Then provide an importer_name. Followed by importer_address. and a manufacturer underscore info. Next, click on apply rules here. After having added the data feed rule, you still need to ensure that all your Facebook catalog products get updated at least once so that the data feed rule comes into play and the country of origin is added to the products. In case you have synced your Shopify products to Facebook using a third-party app, you would generally see a setting by which you can ensure that all your Shopify products keep syncing to Facebook every few hours. However, if you use the Facebook sales channel to sync Shopify products to Facebook, your products get updated on Facebook only if something is updated in the products on Shopify. To ensure that something gets updated in your products on Shopify, you can try this out. Simply go to products here and select all products. Here we will add the field inventory quantity. Select the cells under this column for all products by pressing on Shift and the down arrow. Then click on a cell and increase the quantity by 1 or 2 for all the products. And then click on Save. As soon as you do this, in few minutes, all your Shopify products should start getting updated on Facebook like this. And when this update is happening for all the products, the country of origin will also get added for all the products. Later, you can simply change the inventory quantity again to its old value by subtracting 1 or 2 from the old quantity. Once you have done this, don't forget to add collections to your Facebook catalog. To see how, check out this video here. Also remember to carry out the 2 steps here. Add us as partner in your Facebook catalog, connect it to your WhatsApp account, and provide your catalog ID here.